Do you have a lean to conservatory with a very low pitch? Are you looking to have a tiled conservatory roof installed? Have you been alarmed or confused at the extra cost involved in redesigning your roof or raising the pitch to allow the roof to have tiles and slates put on? This is because a lot of roofing systems and tiles and slates require a minimum of 14-degree pitch or higher in order for them to work effectively. There is another cost-effective and excellent solution that allows almost every roof to be converted to a warm roof and benefit from looking stunning on the outside. The Britmet Pantile 2000 is designed and manufactured in the UK and is ideal for installation onto low-pitch roofs. In fact, they are fully guaranteed to work on roofs with a pitch as low as 5 degrees. That's almost flat. No costly roof redesigns, which may involve having box guttering installed. No costly raising of your roof pitch, which may need new shaped window frames, new lead work, or cutting into your house roof. Just a straightforward, simple installation of a superb conservatory roof tile designed and manufactured specifically for low-pitch conservatory roofs. Britmet Tileform's Pantile 2000 has a range of 6 beautiful colours, can be fixed to a roof pitch as low as 5 degrees, the lowest BBA-approved tile sheets in the world. Antique red, charcoal, mid-grey, sage green, terracotta and Tudor brown, all designed to match existing British roofs and housing stock. So, if you would like to have the most cost-effective and tailor-made solution to having a new insulated tiled roof installed on your low-pitch conservatory roof, ask your chosen supplier for the Britmet Pantile 2000. To compare the top 10 tiled and solid conservatory roof systems, as well as the choice of tiles and slates available, or to find a local registered installer for the Britmet Pantile 2000, visit comparetiledconservatoryroofs.co.uk or call us free on 0800 061 4861 for more information and independent advice.